Hello guys, again I'm back with a tutorial of using Audacity to edit your voice. Today I'm going to show you how to make your voice sound like a chipmunk. That's right, chipmunk. First, yeah, well, of course you'll need Audacity. Download it and open it up and record voice sound. Well, hello. Now we're gonna sound like a chipmunk. That's right. Stop it. Now we're gonna double click on it, effect. Where should we go? Yeah. We'll select change pitch. Make sure that you don't mess with these things over here. None of these. Don't mess with that. Just you're gonna mess with this. Now you're gonna put it on anything below about 40. Let's just do 40. Preview.
Well, hello. Now we're gonna.
Wow, that's total chipmunk. Let's see about 39. Whoa, 39.
Well, hello. Now we're gonna.
Whoa.
Well, hello. Now we're gonna.
I'm 50.
Well, hello. Now we're gonna.
That's better now. Just click OK. Make sure that you don't mess with these things. Just only this. Choose anything below. Don't choose anything negative. Just positive. Click OK.
Well, hello.
Oh.
Now we're gonna sound like a chipmunk. That's right.
There you go. You're a chipmunk.